Welcome to the walkthrough of the Bloom extension. The new extension is perfectly synchronized with the manager, so login will happen through the pop-up from the Solana extension and the EVM extension, but through the manager, the login is automated. Now let's go through the settings section. Settings are now updated directly from the manager. First, we can create presets. It's super simple. Just click on Preset and you can change the icon, enter the name, or load the default right away. You can add raw and toggle on and off, then just hit save and you'll have your presets. To edit a preset, just click Edit. You can change the fields you want and save. To delete presets, just click on a preset. Let's dive into the scraper section, so Discord and Telegram. Buying automation from these two platforms is available. We suggest reading the guides in detail where all the features of this feature are explained. Discord and Telegram also let you enter your values or click on default. In that case, toggle on or off the 4 raid bolt skip contract. You just need to save to load all our settings. Limit orders are now synced cross-platform, so between manager, extension, and Telegram. Same idea. You need to enter in the fields your desired values or click Load Default. As for dev cell settings, you need to tick Cell and Dev Seals and add Dev Cell button to panel, which lets you enable the button for Cell in the panel. Moving on to size, you can enable or disable the different platforms. Just toggle on and off. Wallet is split into various sections. You can first of all reorder wallets, change the icons, enable them, disable them, and create wallet groups, which are now supported in our extension and in our trading panel. So you can simply create a group by selecting the various wallets, choose whether to enable staged bias, set it to fixed or random, and then hit create. There are 2 more features explained in detail in the guides: by distribution and select multiple groups. As for the appearance section, we've got multiple settings. We can turn on sounds when a buy or sell goes through, use radius motion, change the layout of the quick buttons, basically these buttons. We can then change the look of them based on our preferences. As you can see, the color changes. If you hit reset, everything goes back to the original state. We can include fees in PnL, change the trading panel background, and also the opacity. As you can see, after saving, the change will be applied on the panel. Clicking reset, everything goes back to the initial state. PnL cards work the same way. We can change the background, add a custom image, and share our PnL card, fully customized. The last 2 settings are import, to bring in a previously saved configuration, and export to save all our configuration. We suggest reading the guides to see exactly which settings, wallets, and details get exported and imported. This is useful for moving, for example, from one device to another or from one Chrome profile to another, keeping our settings, our wallets, and our configurations. To switch blockchain, just change the blockchain at the manager level. We'll have the same settings with a few small differences for the supported EVM chains. The logic and mechanics are the same. Only some settings and some supported platforms change, but the overall mechanics and logic, as well as the settings, are the same. Everything is explained in detail in our docs.